Hey, this is Ray from the Internet Glass Network and Autoglass.com. I'm having a little problem with Joey Bag of Donuts over there and Doodle and Do Nothing. They're kind of loud, so I hope they don't ruin the video here. It's a gorgeous day in New York, so I did this outside. I want to talk to you guys a little bit. Oh, and don't confuse my favorite. I have a Mets cup because I did go to a Mets game, but I'm a Yankee fan at heart, okay? Now we're going to talk about the Volkswagen mirror falling off cars. And I was kind of shocked by it. It's a situation where I've done videos in the past, and I'm going to be showing you another one that I did on a Saab 9.3, and the same situation occurred where it fell off the Saab. It's coming from a German manufacturer. I have no clue, and I'm not going to badmouth anybody, you know what I mean? But this was the first mirror that started falling off cars. 2003 or 2002 Volkswagen Jetta, okay? And then we grew up in the world, and then we had mirrors falling out of the Jetta, the Passat, the EOS. Every mirror on every Volkswagen, they're falling out of the frames because of the adhesive that they used was a rubber-based adhesive. We have mirror now that's popping off, and I'm talking 5 years on the car. These mirrors used to pop off after about maybe 8 to 10 years. Very expensive if you want to replace the frame, but I do teach everybody that you don't need to do that, and you actually will get a better quality mirror. But now they came out with these mirrors where you have the blinker indicator, the warning indicator. The most annoying thing. I mean, GM, when they came out with the signal mirror where the arrow is in the glass, was the most ludicrous thing I've ever seen. I'm going to show you a video, and the basic theory is to glue it correctly. You have a heat. People say, "Oh, I don't have a heating element." You do. On every one of these Passats and Jettas and EOS, all the Volkswagen line had heated mirrors. Now, this is a signal mirror where a car drives past you or tailgating you, or tractor trailers. Most annoying, the seat vibrates. It's annoying. I hate these mirrors. But let me show you 40% translucent mirror. Look at these warning indicators. Okay, now there's an LED light that's in the frame. It's in the frame. It's not in the mirror. It's in the frame. Heating element behind it. Now these heating elements, and again, this is first service car. I mean, look at that. I mean, you see, it will absorb 40% of light, so you won't get blinded. I might show you several videos, especially, you know, on the ones that fell out. You look at the glue pattern. Very important. You use the silicone, but even the silicone will not adhere to this frame because of the contaminant of the rubber spray that they used at the factory, which was the reason the mirror fell out. So this is what we need to do this job. We need nail polish remover. We need a little bit of spray cleaner, especially this silicone, which is a special silicone. This is a non-latex based silicone. It's known as construction silicone, but it is an automotive product. It's a high acidic, and it will bond perfectly, and this is what they use in the factory, and this is what we're going to use here today. Rob, I want you to take your mom's nail polish remover. Now we got the end of the bottle, so you can use it all, right? And I want you to pour it on the rag, because what I want you to do is take that, and I want you to clean that. I want you to clean the housing now. Function. Okay, good job, Robert. We got all that contaminant off, and we let it dry a little bit. Acetone does dry like alcohol. Is I want you to create a pattern that will be going across like this, 1/2 inch away from the frame lip. Now, you don't have to be neat, okay? You can make a total mess of this. There you go. Just keep going across. You're not Leonardo da Vinci and making, you know, wonderful photographs and paintings. Well, you didn't make photographs back in those days. Okay, don't get too close to that frame lip. Oh, Rob, do yourself a favor when you put it in. Just hold the edges and just lay it down into the bottom frame and then flip it in, okay? And you'll notice as you do that, the, okay, raise it up. There you go, get it into the lip. Perfect. You don't take a frame, you don't take the frame off the car. A lot of people take these frames off the car and they do the work. You want to keep the frame on there because it's a second. But Rob, yeah, thanks a lot, kid. And if I ever need your help, you know, we'll come again. There you have it. And Sammy, I want you to say hello to my mascot, Samantha Kelly. There she is, my little mascot. So Sammy wants you to drive safe. Please leave your comments below, as I will answer any of them. And please subscribe to the channel, as I will always update some of these videos in the future. We don't want this ever to happen to you, okay? And if it does, you now know how to do it right. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again.